address on?
Yes, Mr. Sidat, what I want to know at this stage is, did he engage attorneys in Gauteng or not?
My Lord, I believe not at this juncture. He would require some time to engage attorneys and or counsel in the Gauteng area.
Yes, thank you. Mr. Bester,
Yes, sir.
Mr. Sidat has now lodged an application to withdraw as your legal representative. He informs me that, firstly, he does not have sufficient financial instructions and also the inconvenience of traveling from Bloemfontein to Pretoria to consult with you. Apparently, you have indicated, Mr. Bester, please stop the theatrics. He informs me that he has discussed the problem with you and that you might want to procure the legal representative, a legal representative in Gauteng. Is that correct?
It's incorrect, first of all. And the reason why I'm raising my hands, Your Honor, is because I can't move my hands. They are cuffed. And I'm asking them to uncuff one hand. That's why I'm raising my hand.
Yes.
Your Honor, the legal representation that was brought before this court previously, the challenge was that they were not appointed by me, and I didn't sign any mandate. They were appointed outside of mandate, and it was clarified by my coordinating attorney that they would have to withdraw from this appearance. Obviously, we had tried to consult with them. The challenge is that they had booked about 3 days to consult with me at CMAX, but unfortunately, they were not able to be given a chance to consult. So it's a challenge that I also want to address this court, if the court may allow me to address this issue. But basically, at CMAX, I'm not able to consult with my legal representation as I wish, and even the client and attorney privilege of confidentiality is a challenge, because first of all, Your Honor, the matter that I am facing here in this court, it has to do with the Correctional Service Act, and indirectly, correctional services are part of the complainant, as one should call that, because they are charging me with escape. I feel that my confidentiality of consultation is being compromised because they have a direct interest. I cannot be able to divulge certain information to the alleged escape because I do not believe that it's an escape, but whatever the facts are, I can't freely consult with any attorney that comes to CMAX because of the restriction that the National Commissioner has instructed upon the wardens that work there. And the system that has been set up for me specifically, it is as if I have my own sort of separate rules concerning to other inmates. You understand?
Are you therefore saying that you cannot consult with your legal representative in the absence of employees of the Department of Correctional Services?
No, I'm saying, Your Honor, that in consulting with any representation,
yes,
I'm having a challenge in being able to have a client-based consultation of confidentiality.
But what does that mean?
It means that our consultation is done through a telephonic phone. And that phone apparently is recording every conversation that we have. And through that, it's previously and through other people proven that it's been used as a mechanism to be able to access information from consultations. So for me, I feel that in this current situation where there are people involved from the head office of correctional services in this actual matter, for me to be able to present my case and be able to instruct an attorney thoroughly, I need to be provided an opportunity where I can do that freely, and I'm not able to do that freely. Regardless of what the instructions are on this current representation, it was clear that I was going to withdraw them. I am in trying to finalize a new team, but in that also we're still going to deal with the same challenges.
Yes. May I suggest the following? Engage the services of a legal representative, and you may want to consider instructing them to bring a formal application to a court, a competent court, to deal with your application to consult in a manner that would respect and protect the privilege of the attorney or legal representative and client.
Your Honor, may I speak?
Yes, because I do not have the facts and the full circumstances of the situation yet.
I understand, Your Honor, but
yes,
my concern is also that, Your Honor, under the Bill of Rights, which is the fundamental right of the Constitution, is that Section 25, bracket 3, is that everyone is entitled to a fair trial. I believe that if I'm going to have to spend a separate approach to go to a motion court to file an application stating that I'm having challenges to be able to be thoroughly defended in this court, I feel that I should bring this matter to this court.
Yes, Mr. Bester, you may bring it to this court if you are so advised, but currently as things stand, you do not have a legal representative. If your legal representative that you engage in future experiences the impediments that you refer to, then and only then can they bring of the application. Do you understand?
I understand.
Thank you. I will not deal with the matter on a premature basis because the complaint that you are currently bringing to me is not existent, is non-existent yet until you get a legal representative. And that legal representative may then engage the authorities at the Department of Correctional Services, and should they not find any joy, they can then approach any competent court, including this court. So when will you be able to speak to your new legal team?
They will be available in the next 7 days.
Who is it, if I may ask?
It's Advocate Lerato, and the instructing attorney will be Attorney Dinana.
Do you have any objection with Mr. Silat's withdrawal, against his withdrawal?
No, I don't.
No, thank you. Mr. Silat, you can excuse.
As a copy. Thank you, Madam.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Zimasa. For all those who do not know me, if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for joining us on yet another video. And if it is your first time here, you're very much welcome on this platform. Please do kululi your bike and feel at home. If you have not subscribed, I do kindly ask that you click the subscribe button. Please do not forget to like and share this video. Also comment. By doing so, you do help this video to actually reach more people and also the channel to grow in numbers. And thank you so much to each and every one of you who has been watching the ads. I really do appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. I know ads can be boring, but they do help me to make some moolah on this platform. But thank you so much to each and every one of you who has been supporting this channel. I really do appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Now, Thabo Bester has been trending. Now, this is after they appeared in court with his co-accused on the 5th of June 2024. I don't know how to feel about this, but I think I've reached the point where Thabo Bester is actually boring, to be honest. The way to me, he's acting like a spoilt brat, who wants things to be done his way. Why am I saying this? Artists have been withdrawing from Thabo Bester, and I feel like Thabo Bester is so used to having things done his way. So when they appeared on the 5th of June, now I want us to go back. When the court was postponed to the 5th of June 2024, it was because Thabo Bester was now changing his legal representatives. Now, the legal representatives that he changed to in previous court, they are actually withdrawing now. They are withdrawing because they are saying they never received enough financial instructions from Thabo Bester. Thabo Bester stands up. He denies this. He says the reason why he says something about a mandate, that the previous attorneys, he never gave them mandate, and now he has appointed other people, another team to actually represent him. And the presiding officer asks, who are these people that you have now appointed? And he mentions names, and I'm even asking myself, is he even telling the truth, or he's just picking up names that he actually thought of because he's trying to play smart in court, trying to deny everything. I don't know, like Thabo Bester, I feel like Thabo Bester now has reached the point where he's just playing with the system, to be honest, like he's just taking chances. And I just love how the presiding officer was so chilled and patient. He gave him time to speak, to rant, and all those things, and there's his legal team that actually withdrew on the 5th of June. They say that they do not have They say that they are struggling to even get to Pretoria, where Thabo Bester is. And they also mentioned something, even though I feel like they were instructed by Thabo Bester, to me it even feels like these people, his legal representative, they seem to be kind of like scared. I don't know, like it's giving some scared vibes. Thabo Bester, into yakhe, to be honest, like he's boring, guys. Like Thabo Bester is boring, and the fact that I feel like he's even undermining a lot of people. He's even complaining about the fact that he does not have privacy, and he does feel like he is compromised because he's dealing with the correctional services, which he has a case against, whatever. And he also mentions that he does not believe that he escaped. It was an escape, you know. Nje into kaThabo Bester is like just tell me how you feel about this whole Thabo Bester situation. Do you feel like he's really playing with the law, playing to, like, you know, tactics? Do you call it tactics? Or is he broke? Because that is also possible, that he is broke. He really doesn't have money to pay legal representatives and he wants to represent himself, which just tell me what you think with regards to this whole situation. But thank you so much for watching until the end. I will see you on my next video. Please do not forget to like this video so that it can reach more people.